What a mess.
Right now working on the manifold. This is Kung to Ultra setup with the provisions to bolt directly to the H22 head. So I want to run the AEM manifold. I would like to run the AEM fuel rail because this is the factory one that they offered. I don't really like it and have to weld it, so hopefully I can make this work. So I'm putting everything together. So in order to run this fuel rail, I have to figure out a bracket to attach it to the manifold, or more likely my boy's going to be able to do it for me. Sometimes it's good to have help. So we got a big upgrade for the car right now. If you know what this is, you know this is a huge come up. So I was just browsing the internet and just randomly found this one on sale. So I just picked it up because the price was too crazy to pass up. So right now I just got off the phone speaking with S1 about the billet cover. So I'm gonna need that in order to convert this one to bolt into the Accord. So to me that's a good luck. And this is the intake manifold. We're working on a solution of how to mount the fuel rail to this manifold. It came with its own proprietary fuel rail, which I don't really want to weld or run that one. I want to run the AEM. I think it'll look a little bit better, and it has a provision for the fuel pressure regulator. So that's the reason why I'm trying to get this one working.
The problem whenever I flip the deck upside down.
So round one. First coat is on.
So I ended up picking up some more parts for the wagon. This is the manual cluster. The glass is kind of scratched up, but the good thing is I could just swap over the glass from the one that's in the car. So that should be just stroke plug and play. And here are clutch pedal. And there should be the brake vessel here. So yeah, these are the parts. So little by little, I'm getting everything together to do the swap. It is cold, so nothing's going down until the turbo all-wheel drive Accord is finished up. So see what's in this box. So these are just some adjustable control arms for the rear. It should be all four. So it should be for camber, no, it should be for caster and for tow. I bought these for the swap. I don't know if everything's gonna line up, so just heading for a good price. I'm gonna just get them just to be safe. So it looks like Peanut Valley over here. So let me just take the transmission out and then make sure to make more of a mess. What a mess. Okay. As you can see, the final drive is pretty beefed up compared to the stock unit. This one is stock transfer gear, but or I'll keep it for something else, but who knows. And this one is a transfer gear. I'm probably going to test it in this right now just to make sure everything works, and then wrap up, because as you can see, I'm in a jacket. It's cold. It is winter, so yeah, let's check this whole thing out. Okay, so this is the CAS 1.5. Yeah, it's winter, so I don't really have much space in here, so let's see what I can find. So this is the CAS 1.5 that was inside the unit. It's in extremely good condition, so I might sell it or keep it as a backup or for front-wheel drive or whatever, because I already have it, so I don't know. But might be up for sale. So this is the new one. This is new transfer case. I believe he went through it. Everything is supposed to be nice and clean, powder coated. Well, I guess vapor honed? Whatever. It's nice, clean. Let me just try it in, because you know I gotta wait till freaking spring. So I'm just gonna put it in just for a little bit of entertainment. less is in. Pretty tight tolerance. You did a very good job. So this dowel piece lies in there. This hole goes into that opening, and slowly starting to work. I don't want to put it all the way in, but yeah, can't wait.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.